This is Bodur Kanje. Today the topic is advertising and campaign planning. Let me recap the previous class. See, in the previous class we discussed the situation analysis. So under that we discussed SWOT analysis and Porter's 5 Pores model. So the objective of the this session is to aim provide an understanding of advertising strategy, situational analysis, and campaign planning. The session outcome is the students will be able to explain the steps in advertising plan. So let me discuss what is advertising plan. An advertising plan is a blueprint for how advertising is used to promote a business and reach new customers. So we have different concepts to understand the advertising plan. It is a even we can call it as the advertising plan is a prerequisite of management activity, and it is a blueprint for future action. So plans appropriately formulate a guide, and the actions are successfully met. uh, the main advantage, the main reason why they do for a plan means in order to, if suppose say if suppose we have to take up any kind of activity, the plan is very important for any activity, not only for the advertising, for any work the plan is very very important. So under this plan, what exactly they'll do means they take effective action, and also they make lot of strategies for formulating and attaining the targets of advertising. And the mainly the planning decides the measurement of standard, means what exactly we have planned and what we have achieved. So they can able to we can able to compare out of this. And we can also plan the marketing, customer, who are the customers in the market, and what are the plans which are already done by the competitors, and what exactly we have to do, and what is a formula which is suitable for for the market. And we have to do a lot of research, and we have to find out the different techniques are used to analyze several opportunities, and what opportunities we have in the market, and how exactly we have to go about that. So these all are points which we have to observe. And as in the advertising plan, it includes procedures that are discussed for a planning framework. And also in this plan even the marketer will going to do the a proper environmental analysis, and also you will take into consideration the consumer behavior and determinant and also you will going to determine the objectives of the firm, and also you will select a strategy that should suits for the company objective. And advertisement, there are many advertisement programs are there, even that also you are going to take it off. And advertising budget, even while planning they will also make sure that the budget should be within the framework of the company which they have already suggested, and also they will take lot of measures. So nextly we have steps for an advertisement plan. What are the steps they follow in a course of time to make the plan very successful? The first one is they choose the demographic. That means who are the target customers, who are example whether they are children's are my target customers, are parents are my target customers, are adults are my target customer, or any kind of professionals are my target customer. First of all they'll make sure that who is the target customer and who are the demographic. They will have a research for that, what is the total demographic population which is my customer target customer. Then second one is they choose your media channel, means in what media we have to advertisement, so that the entire message should reach the maximum mass of the population. So they say example they can select through television, they can select through radio, or they can go for a print media like newspaper, magazines, whatever it may be, or even today we are in the technology, we are in the 5G. So even the marketers can also take Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, WhatsApp, Google, and other other medias. Next one is more, third one is choose your creative strategy. See, why we are planning here means in order to find out the new strategy, so that which will going to help the company to reach the market in a faster way, and also to create market share in the country or in the world. Next one, create a calendar. Create a calendar means that means we see, initially the companies, those who are started their business and they started their marketing, definitely they will be like they don't know exactly when they are entered and when they are going. But the companies like the legend companies like automobile companies or electronic company, whatever it may be, they have their benchmark and they have created a calendar, and they know when to be advertised these kind of products, and where to advertise, what to advertise, everything they have a calendar. Next, create a budget. So overall they count what is the total budget. If suppose we go through media, what is the total budget, or we go through print, what is the total budget, or we go by direct selling, what is the budget, like that they'll calculate even the cost of the advertisement plan also. So these are the concepts which I have already cleared today. So let me discuss the some of the few multiple choice questions which are going to asked in the in this particular session. First question: through newspaper, any firm can reach literate consumers only, and it is below options are given. Nothing related to illiterate customers. B. Advantage of newspaper. C. Drawback of newspaper. D. No problem in such advertising. So the answer is C. Drawback of newspaper. That means newspaper, if anyone can reach literate customers only, it is drawback of newspaper. Second question: levels of differentiation, market share, product life cycle stage, uh, correlating promotional spending and brand sales are a part of dash advertising. So options are objective of advertising, B. models of advertising, C. evaluation of advertising, D. developing strategy. So answer is here developing strategy. Third one, advertising involves dissemination of information about a product serving to induce people to take action beneficial to whom? That was a question. Here the options are advertiser, sponsor, market manager, firm. Here the answer is advertiser. So advertiser, the person who is involved in dissemination of information about the produce, service, to reduce people to take action towards a benefit, and also it is benefit to the advertiser only. Next, fourth question: which of the following is the most popular print media available to advertiser? The options are magazine, pamphlet, emails, newspaper. Actually, newspaper is the best way and most popular print media, which is covering almost all the people in the country and also abroad. Next, fifth question: direct mail advertising is suitable in case of what? Options are retailer, wholesaler, personal selling, share brokers. So the direct mail advertising is the suitable in case of personal selling. Personal selling. Options are retailer, wholesaler, personal selling, and share broker. So here the answer is share brokers. That means direct mail advertising is suitable in case of direct